are very happy to be here. We are right now in the Grand Island Research Station, which is a research station affiliated with Academia Sinica in Taiwan.
We're very, very fortunate to have access to blue water, deep ocean currents very close to the island, enabling us to just motor out 10 minutes and to put scuba divers into the Kuroshio current where they can collect planktonic forams.
Diving is phenomenal. It's unlike any other type of diving you do, this hanging in this completely blueness, and it looks completely empty and blue, and then you focus just in front of your eyes and it's just a soup of living things, and you can see all of these little jellyfish and copepods and foraminifera just swimming around, living their life. It's a completely different scale and a different planet. It's fantastic to see that in the wild.
We come all the way out here to be able to do field work and then bring it to a marine lab, which is as close as possible to the field area. That's a tall order to be able to accommodate a group of this size and all of our laboratory requirements and power requirements. We also want to be able to go out on the boat and collect all these things. You know, there are a number of factors that really make a quality marine research station that's suitable for blue water diving. And I think that this hits all of them.
I think the international team are definitely enjoying the environment and the culture of Grand Island. I think because it is the first time for most of them to come to Grand Island or even to Taiwan.
It has definitely surpassed my expectations. It is just a gorgeous island with these dramatic basalt cliffs everywhere and really interesting wildlife and really friendly people.
This is my first time outside India. I was not expecting to have such a fun time, honestly, because everybody is so friendly and they're like very approachable and easy to talk to. And Oscar is really amazing. He's been helping out with everything. He's been super friendly, super nice, and he's just amazing.
I find forams fascinating because they're a huge piece of our understanding of ocean biology and carbon in the ocean.
Forams are time travelers. They take us back in time and allow us to get a picture of what the climate was like that we can't get in almost any other way. I'm not talking like hundreds of years, I'm talking thousands of years, like past the age of the dinosaurs.
By studying them, their shell, the population, we can understand past climate, which would help us to predict the future change regarding to climate change happening now.
The amount we don't understand about how these simple and globally important organisms work is staggering, and uncovering parts of that mechanism is really exciting.
Looking at the toes, they've been so beautiful, and the happiness that it brings to everyone on the crew. Someone will say, oh, come look at this tiny Arbulina I just found. And we all rush to the, oh yes, oh, it's adorable, look, it's so cute, it's the tiniest foram ever.
It's exciting. I mean, I'm seeing things that I've never seen before. And you look under the microscope and you're like, whoa, what?
And yeah, we are nerds.
After all the lab work is done, everyone's out of the lab. We usually have some kind of big group meal. A couple of people will cook. The gin inevitably appears, the beers appear, and everyone just kind of, unwinds. It's a good sort of decompressing moment. And then, everyone passes out very quickly. To sleep, not from alcohol.
I have learned so much, and everyone is really humble and modest, but if you were to go into the primary literature and read their papers, you'd realize that these are really some of the rock stars in culturing and understanding how foraminifera work.
The purpose of coming out here is not just to do the research, but also to make sure that others learn and they can build those skills and bring them with them to wherever they go in the future.
The most fascinating part of my job is to understand the truth. And this is why science is so great, because it helps people to understand the truth about the Earth.
The Earth is an important place. It's the only planet we have. And those of us who study the Earth and the science of the Earth, we still don't know very much about it. And I think that that's one of the most critical things that we can do, is to study and understand our home.
What we're trying to produce is something with a lot of integrity that's knowledge, new knowledge that we're giving to the world.
For the sake of knowledge as well as the future of humanity, we need to understand how the natural world works and how the oceans work.